So we're going to make a really simple macrame plant hanger. You need 8 long pieces of string. Now take a long piece of string and create a loop. This loop should represent roughly how long you want it to be as well. Pick up all the strings, so the strings and the loop that you've just created, and wrap around all the strings continually. Now you want the wrap to be really nice and neat, so line it up with the previous string and just keep wrapping it around. Wrap it until you have it as long as you would desire it to be. Then you should have a hoop at the end, plus your tail. Now you want to put the tail through the hoop and just hold it in place. Go to the other end, the starting point, and pull this end string really gently, and you're pulling the hoop through the tube that you've created, just until the hoop is securely hidden. Get a scissors and cut away the tail. Now to really hide that end, you pull the top string again, just to get him tucked inside as well, so it's really nice and neat. Get your scissors again and cut the top string away. You want it to be really close to the string, and that gets rid of the top end. If you pinch it together, you can see how big the hoop will be. It'll be quite small. Now gather all the strings together and create another wrap knot below these peach strings. So again, you line up the string, you pull it upwards and wrap it around. And just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you have it as long as you would like it to be. When you get to your desired length, you should have a loop at the bottom, like so. And then take the other string and just put that through the loop. And at the top of that section, there should be a string for you to pull. Now pull it so that the loop is hidden, just slightly. Then take a scissors and snip away the end. Be careful not to cut any other strings. And then pull the top string again just to hide that bottom knot. We don't want any loose ends hidden, so it's nice and neat. Grab the scissors again and chop off the top string as close as you can and just tuck it in slightly. And there you have a loop for hanging your macrame. Now pair off all the strings and create a loop knot about 1.5 to 2 inches down. Do that with each pair of strings. Now part them again and pair them up with the neighbour string. And again another about 1.5 inches to 2 inches down, create another loop knot with each pair. Not forgetting the 2 end strings. They have a buddy too. There you go, and create a loop knot. Lovely. Gather all the strings together, and about 1 inch below your last knots, you want to create another wrap knot, exactly as you did when you were creating the top section. Then you simply get your pot and pop it in the middle of the strings. And there you have it, a macrame plant hanger. It's like a little circus tent. Cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.